Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset Bosch Dishwasher Wi-Fi. Start by standing in front of your Bosch dishwasher and looking at the control panel. You will see several buttons, including the remote start button. This is the key button for resetting the Wi-Fi. Press and hold the remote start button for a few seconds. Keep holding it until you notice a small change, such as a light blinking or turning off. Then release the button. This action resets the Wi-Fi settings of the dishwasher. At this point, the appliance is no longer connected to your previous network. Now, take your phone and open the reconnect app. This is the app used to manage Bosch smart appliances. Once the app is open, find your dishwasher in the list of connected devices. Tap on it and remove it from the app. This clears the old connection completely. Next, look at the top of the screen and tap on the plus icon. This is used to add a new appliance. The app will begin searching for nearby devices. Wait for your dishwasher to appear in the list, then select it. If the app asks for a model number, enter it as shown on your dishwasher or its manual. Continue to the next step. The app will guide you to connect to Wi-Fi. Select your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password when prompted. Follow the instructions on the screen until the connection is complete. Once finished, your dishwasher will be connected again and ready to use with the app. Thanks for watching.